Welcome to the 3rd through 5th grade robotics competition, Energy Town, presented to you by Christine Diosio. This presentation will go over the purpose, the outcome, materials, norms, competition grading criteria, instructions, and provide you with examples of the engineering notebook, coding example, and the requirements for the final presentation submission. Overview of the competition. Renewable energy is important because of the benefits it provides. Energy is used continuously and we spend a lot of money on it. We want to avoid using fossil fuels for energy. Instead, we want to use more renewable resources. How can we, the citizens of Energy Town, make the town more green? Energy Town Robotics Competition challenges students to create a plan of action to make Energy Town more green with the use of an MBOT. We know that in order to become more green, the town must use more renewable resources and less non-renewable resources as possible. In this competition, the MBOT travels around the town installing solar panels in each building. In this competition, teams will learn more about the importance of resources and conservation, learn to assemble and use a robot model. For this purpose, you will be using an MBOT. Teams will collaborate and create a plan of action to decide on the most efficient pathway that will earn them the most points on the playing mat. To join the competition, each team needs to pay a registration fee of $85 that will include lunch and the MBOT needed for the project, presentation device they'll bring their own, an engineering pocket notebook that will be provided the day of the competition, and a competition mat that will also be given the day of the competition. Norms to be followed. Teams need to keep each other accountable, stay engaged, and use gracious professionalism. Teachers and chaperones must provide content material to students about resources and conservation prior to challenge day so they can know what's going on. Assist teams as needed throughout the competition and conference with teams one-on-one to provide feedback for final presentation submission. What the playing mat may look like the day of the competition. As you see, there's residential buildings, business buildings, and government buildings, each worth different points. A residential building is worth 1 point, a business building is worth 2 points, and a government building is worth 3 points. What path will your team take to earn the most points? Analyze the platform and decide what the path will earn you the most points. Test the path. MBOT will stop in front of each building using a light sensor to simulate the solar panel installation. Move to the next building doing the same at each stop. Continue through the path until finished, and will then create a final submission presentation that shows a video of the MBOT coding the path on the mat. This is an example of the engineer's pocket notebook given the day of the competition. Students will go through the engineering process, which is ask, imagine, plan, create, improve. Try once they find themselves stuck and not knowing what could they do. They will work as a team to create their own code to be successful on the playing mat. Do you have what it takes to make Energy Town more green? Register today for. Thank you again. Please feel free to leave your feedback.